In this video, I will show you the precision and alignment in 3ds Max. Let us create a box around 40 and let us create a sphere and let us click align. There is the current object, which is the sphere, and the target object, which is the box. So let us click the center, X position, Y position, Z position. Let us click OK. Now it is aligned in the center. Okay, let us delete the sphere. Let us create a cone. Now I will show you how to align using normal. Normal is a direction of surface. I will explain more of this later in this course, what is this normal is all about. But for now, I want to show you how to align normal to surface normal. Click align and click this one, align to normal. Click the first surface, second surface, then you can move here, can adjust the X, Y, or the Z. Let us cancel that. Let us align another one here this side. So okay, so this is the way how to align normals. Now I will show you how to create objects and using a keyboard entry. Sphere. Now here there is, you can see a keyboard entry. Now let us create a sphere of 30, maybe 0. This is the location for the creation. The radius is maybe 50, and then let us create another one in an X direction. Let's say 100. This is the location, X in 100 and Y and Z in 0. Okay, then let us create another 200 in X direction. Create, or you can create another in negative 100 in X direction, something like that, or in Y direction 100. And Z direction 100, something like that. You can move here, right click, or in Y direction or in Z. Okay, now let us reset this one. I will show you about the spacing. Let us create a cylinder. Let us make this thinner, a radius of maybe 1. Okay, Then let us create a spline. Let us discuss more spline along this course. So this is just a basic to show you how to make a spacing. Let us make this smooth. Okay, so there is our cylinder, tools, align spacing tool. I'll set the count of 100. Say this is an instance, so I will discuss later what is the difference between copy and instance. So for now I have to show you the instance. Count is 100. There is an option here, but let us use the default and pick the path and apply. Alt middle click of the mouse to arc rotate. Alt W to maximize. Let us close this. So because this is an instance, if we're going to change this one, the radius, it will also change the other one because there are instances. The height. So the difference of instance and copy is that the copy is a separate object. So let us select this, shift on keyboard, and with this move tool drag, and it will create a copy or instance. So let us create a copy. Now if we're going to change this, the copy will not change. There's also have to show you that aside from Alt middle mouse button to arc rotate, you can also use this here. You can also arc rotate using this one, but I'm not using this actually. I am more on a keyboard and mouse, so let us escape, Alt and middle click so you can arc rotate. Okay, see you in the next video.